Doing good? In this video, I will be showing you how to make mouse pads to sell on Printify. The first thing you want to do once on Printify.com, you're going to tap on Start for free. And from there, you will be able to sign up using your email address. And keep in mind that everything is free with Printify, as they won't make any money until you make money. Now, once you're on the Printify dashboard, as you can see right here, you will first need to decide the platform that you would like to sell your product on. So you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, right where you see Test Store on my screen, and you're going to tap right there. After doing that, you're going to tap on Add a New Store. From here, you can choose whether you like to sell your mouse pads on Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Walmart, or you want to create a pop-up Printify store, which would basically be a free store that is provided by Printify. You can also list your mouse pads or other Printify items on eBay, Squarespace, Wix, and any one of these platforms, as you can see right here. At the moment, the platform that I'm using for this example is one of the Printify pop-up stores. All you will need to do is tap on Printify pop-up. From there, you can enter your store name, select the country you're paying taxes in, and then you can choose a theme, and that's it. It is quite easy to set up. And if you like an example to see how it looks, for example, if I were to tap on Visit Store right here, you can see how a Printify pop-up store looks right there, and you can also see how the listing page looks. So it does look very professional and clean, as you can see right there. So if you'd like to start a print-on-demand store without no investment at all, I would definitely recommend that you tap on the Printify pop-up store. Now, after selecting the pop-up store, the next thing we're going to be doing is selecting catalog from the left-hand menu option. After you have tapped on catalog, what I want you to do next, we're going to be selecting mouse pads. So you're going to tap on mouse pads right here. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you have a few options. So depending on your target audience, whether they are located in United States, Canada, Europe, Australia, China, or the United Kingdom, you can select whichever one of these options. So I'm going to be leaving it at the United States, and you can scroll down and you can see the different size or styles that you can choose from. And I'm going to be using this one. Once you have selected it, all you'll need to do is simply scroll down and tap on Start Designing. After you have tapped on Start Designing, from here you could go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Upload, and you could upload your design. A good platform that I recommend you go on if you would like to create a design is Canva.com. And with Canva, you can sign up for completely free using your email address. Once on Canva, we'll simply tap on the search bar and type in Mousepad. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. As you can see right here, you can scroll down and select any one of these templates. Keep in mind that the templates that says paid or has a crown, you would have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But as you can see, there are numerous templates that you can choose from, as you can see right here. So for example, let's say I were to select this one. Then for example, you're going to tap on customize this template. Then from here, you can edit anything you want. So you could change the picture. You can also change the text. For example, I could tap right here. After tapping here, if I wanted to change the color of the color box, I could do that. By tapping on the color boxes at the top of the page, you could select a color right here that you would like to change it to. So I do recommend that you customize it so that you look on other ideas, other listings, and you customize it to your liking. But for the sake of time, I won't go through that. I'll simply save it. So we'll tap on share in the top right hand corner, then tap on download. Once you have downloaded it, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go back into Printify. Then you're going to tap on upload in the top left hand corner, then select my device, and you're going to select the design, then tap on open, and you can see that it is being uploaded right there. Once it has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now, you can adjust the size, so you could pull along the sides to adjust the size, as you can see right there, but it fits okay to me. Then I'm going to tap on save product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on save product, you can see a mock-up of how it looks. Then you're going to scroll down from here. You could edit the product description. You could also edit the title, and you can scroll down and you can select the different variants. So if you want to offer more variants, you could tap on select all. Then from there, you can also edit the price by tapping on edit price. You could set a price that you'd like to sell it for, or you could edit the profit margin. So normally it would be set at 40%, but let's say you want a 60% profit margin. You could type it in right there, then tap on apply. After doing that, you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on publish, you're going to give it a few seconds while the product is being pushed or added to your store, better yet. While it is being added, you can see that it has now been added right there. To view it, all we'll need to do, you could tap on visit store in the top right hand corner. Then I can tap on the product and you can see it right there. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.